Namaste. Welcome to Yogadarshanam and online learning. Today, this video is showing you some of the very important yoga postures which can be done in the second trimester of the pregnancy. Samita is with me today and she is going to help us to demonstrate some of the very important yoga postures of the second trimester. She is in the second pregnancy and she got a lot of benefits from the yoga practice in her first pregnancy and she got normal childbirth. These yoga postures are very helpful to overcome most of the health issues like hemorrhoids, back pain, diabetes, high blood pressure and so on. Remember, these yoga postures you are supposed to do it on the anti-skidding mat. You may slip away very easily, so that is why we suggest you to keep a very good mat and so that it can help you to avoid slipping while practicing asanas. And practice asana, these yoga postures with a small snacks or drinking juice or eating some fruits. And you can sip water while doing these postures. And while doing these postures, make sure you are doing it to your comfort without any pressure, without forcing yourself. And keep normal breathing in all the asanas, and 5 to 10 times you can breathe without holding your breath. In case if you are suffering from any kind of very serious problems like uncontrolled high blood pressure or low placenta, bleeding, in all these cases you better to consult doctor before starting this program. While practicing this program, if you experience any unusual experience like giddiness, hardness of the stomach or bleeding or pain in the groin, we suggest you to consult doctor immediately. Hope all these details are enough to start this program. Then what are you waiting for? Let's begin. First technique is Virabhadrasana practice. So Virabhadrasana, you have to start from Tadasana position. So from Tadasana, take 4 foot distance wider. 4 foot distance wider. Hold your waist now. Now turn your left foot in 45 degree and right foot to the 90 degree. So relax and no tightness anywhere. And now inhale, lift your arm and exhale, bend your front knee and look at your palm and breathe here 5 times. And slowly and deeply and no pressure on the stomach. And stretches your inner thigh very nicely and breathe here 5 times deeply and slowly. And remember, you should not lean to this side and try to keep your body in the center and no curvature in the lower back and keep body back straight. Once you complete 5 breathing here, inhale, straighten your leg, hold your waist, exhale, hold your waist, and now turn your foot one by one to other side now. And now here, inhale again, lift your arm and exhale, bend your front knee and make sure your front shin is 90 degree to the ground. And knee and your toes, especially big toe and second toe must be in one line and hand should be stretched properly. And don't lean to the side. Complete 5 breath again here. And feel the stretch and breathe deeply and slowly without holding your breath and stretch and breathe at your comfort and no force, no pressure anywhere. Once you complete 5 breath, inhale, straighten your leg, exhale, hold your waist, turn your foot and return to the Tadasana position. Slowly return to the Tadasana position. Now we are moving to second asana. The second asana second technique is Kailasasana practice. One of the best asana to stretch your inner thigh and groin area and it will help in the later stage of the pregnancy. For that, to practice this asana, take 4 foot distance. Take 4 foot distance and turn your front foot slightly to the side and not fully to the side and that side. Again that one also to the other side. And now inhale, lift your arm slowly above the head, join your palm and give a nice stretch and keep your body weight on the center of the foot. Don't lean back, you may fall down very easily. And exhale, bend your front knee slowly and bend your knee to the side and push your knee to the sides very slowly and make sure and toe and knee in one line, very important. and toe and knee in one line, and feel the inner thigh stretch. And very important, don't have curvature in the lower back. Keep your body straight and stretch your hand. Complete 5 breaths here deeply and slowly. Once you complete 5 to 10 deep breathing here, inhale, come up and give a nice stretch. Exhale, drop your hand by the sides, turn your palm and hold your waist, and turn your foot to the front and return to the Tadasana position. So now we are moving to third asana. The third asana is one of the sitting posture, one of the very important asana called Baddha Konasana. It is also called cobbler pose. This is one of the best asana you can practice throughout the pregnancy, not only in the second trimester. You can practice even after meals. In generally, we should not practice after meals. Certain postures you're not supposed to practice after meals. But especially Baddha Konasana, one can practice even after meals also. Or any time, you can sit in that posture, one of the very useful posture. It's a gift for the women, especially pregnant women. So that posture, we can do it like this. So sit in a Dandasana position, stretching your legs forward like this. And from here, Dandasana, slowly bend your knee and bend your knee slowly outward and touch your foot. Slowly touch your foot and touch your sole each other and join your foot properly and cover your toes and hold it properly, tightly. Now inhale, lift your chest and stretch your spine and breathe deeply and slowly now. And feel the stretch in the inner thigh and keep breathing deeply and slowly without dropping your chest, without squeezing your stomach, and keep deep and slow breathing. Once you complete here 5 to 10 times breathing, then hold your ankle. This is one of the very important technique, posterior and anterior tilt. So in this asana, slowly inhale, raise your chest and look up slightly, tilt your hip pelvic area. Exhale, drop your chest and relax. Try this 5 to 10 times comfortably without any pressure on the stomach. It's very important in this asana, you should not squeeze your stomach and only try to tilt your pelvic area back and front as comfortable as possible. Once you complete 5 to 10 times this tilt, we are moving to another very important asana called Upavishta Konasana. So turn your face this side and turn your face this side and split your legs like that. Split your legs like this. And now slowly keep your hand in the center. And now slowly lean forward and inhale, look up. Slowly inhale, look up, slowly look up. And raise the chest, slowly raise the chest. And stretch the spine from the base and make sure no squeeze or no pressure in the stomach. Breathe deeply here 5 times. Breathe deeply and slowly 5 times in this asana. Very important, you should not curve your back. You have to stretch your spine as much as possible. And once you complete 5 to 10 times breathing, exhale, slowly return and bring your foot to the center and breathe slowly. And then we are moving to another posture, that is just a crossed leg. Sit in a crossed leg. Just crossed leg like this, like that. Sit in a crossed leg. And this is one of the very useful posture to stretch your spine, and it can help you to reduce your back pain, all these things. So keep your hand here by the sides. Now inhale, lift your hand slowly and stretch slowly vertically. And as you exhale, stretch your side beautifully and stay here for 5 breaths. And stay here deeply, 5 deep breaths here, and feel the stretch in the side. Once you complete 5 deep breathing, inhale, lift your hand and exhale, drop your hand by the side and do same thing other side. Place the hand here, support your hand closer. Now inhale, lift your hand above the head, give a nice stretch. Now exhale, stretch your spine on other side and beautiful stretch slowly and deeply. Once you complete 5 to 10 times deep breathing, inhale, stretch again to vertical level and exhale, drop your hand and slowly relax. So once you complete all these 5 postures, you can rest in Shavasana practice. Unfortunately, you are not supposed to practice Shavasana in the second trimester. So that is why you are supposed to lie down on the side. So that is called Balasana. So that is very, very useful once you practice all these postures. Remember, while practicing these postures, if you are not comfortable while stretching or while doing any postures, you can use blocks, enough pillows or any other supports. So that makes you very comfortable while practicing these asanas. In case if you have any questions or any doubts, you can send to us in the comment box so that we can respond as early as possible and we will help you. And this is all about some of the very important postures for the second trimester. We'll come back with another video to give some idea on third trimester and for other pregnancy issues, all these things. So we are trying to upload a video weekly. So keep in touch with Yogadarshanam channel, subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please share with your family and friends so that everyone will get help and benefits. And we'll come back with another video. Till then, keep enjoying this practice. See you later. Dhanyavad.